everyone, have a look at this. We're going to do a render clean on this property, and we're working on these windowsills downwards. I'll show you this here now. This is shockingly bad. This is all mold. As you can see, she's had all these flashings replaced, so I suggested that she do that before we do the clean. So she's had all that replaced new, and it's all been newly sealed. The problem is that all this is from the original flashings leaching water. When you've got a rendered property, you really don't want that to happen because it makes it very hard. And if we can't clean it, then the only option you have then is to repaint it. So have a look at this. It's terrible. It's green, yellowy, blacky splotch. Look at the windowsills here. Okay, so not a great place to start from, okay? Don't let it go this far, because when you're working with render, you can only go so deep, and our chemical can only penetrate so deep. So the reality is this lady may be in for a repaint, and repaints are expensive. Okay, so you can see all the windowsills down here. Right, I'm going to show you the process as we go. We're going to have to use a fairly strong mix on this, okay, to even hit it, to get it to the place that we want. And let's see what happens. This clean, crisp, beautiful. Absolutely love it. This is an unusually good result. Okay, so don't always expect it to be as good as this. But we did work quite hard on this place. We put a very strong mix of our mold and mildew treatment. Have a look at this windowsill. It's almost like new. Almost like new. Now, some of these windowsills will naturally erode. It was already eroded before because the moisture sits here, and then it just slowly peels away at the render. Have a look at this. Through here, you can see all the mold and mildews come out around here. Look at these sills. This bottom was black. So there you go. There's the finished result. Customer's absolutely delighted. She was singing songs of praise. Right. Okay. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. And if you do have a rendered property that you need cleaned, or any kind of exterior cleaning, check out our videos online. You'll see how we work, and I guarantee you we will do our very best to get the best results we can for your property. Thanks for watching. Stay in touch if we can help you.